Kids, don't try this at home. I am a trained professional. You will get burned.
I don't know.
What I like to shoot better than my potato guns are my arrows with my crossbows.
Hey y'all, right, Doomsday Dan, your crazy, awesome YouTube host. Bring you in here, see what I'm doing.
Trying to see how I look? Darling, you look marvelous.
There we go, that's better. Those real fireworks were cool, huh? Well, I'm going to show you how to make some homemade fireworks. That's right, homemade, all by yours truly, DD. Those are illegal fireworks. We're going to show you how to make some legal, homemade ones you can buy at a regular hardware store. Get yourself some steel wool, some clothes hangers. What you're going to do is just open them up, switch them out, bend them straight. Leave the hook on one end. Usually what I do. Steel wool, you're going to stretch it out. Pull it slightly back, rip it apart. Stretch it out. Yeah, a little shaky. Yeah. You're just going to feed it on there. Feed it. I don't know if you knew this, but steel wool is flammable. Pretty much want to put it on there and then bend your hook down and around it to keep it on there. So, hooked on there, like you're going fishing. Boy, that sure was easy. Alright, so now we're going to wait for it to get dark, and we're going to have us a light show. Couple more of these, and we're going to wait for it to get dark, and we'll see you in a bit. %, All-American. And the winner is orange. What was that stuff was flammable? Look at that. It's already trying to go up. It's from the sparks. And kids, you better get permission from your parents. Matter of fact, you better get help from your parents, because there are no kids playing with any kind of lighters or illegal fireworks like this. Not allowed. No illegal fireworks or anything done without permission from your parents. You know what I'm saying? Hey Steve, where you been? Yeah, Steve, you better say I'll shoot you right.
Yeah, let's get this party
started. Alright, let's do this. Make fireworks out of steel wool. Only right here on the Doomsday Dan channel. That's for sure. Let me show you how to make homemade fireworks with a coat hanger. Coat hanger and steel wool. Kids, don't try to sit home without asking your parents. It is hot and dangerous. Stuff will burn you. Hey y'all, that was cool, huh? Showed you how to make your own fireworks. These are pretty cool though, that the Chinese make, but mine aren't too bad. For less than $4 you can make your own. Don't forget to subscribe and watch all my other helpful, funny, useful videos and more. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching and happy 4th of July. Tied the bottle rockets to the string. Didn't work out as great as I wanted to, but not too bad. Bunch of good boys, huh? Ready for the fireworks show? I was cooling off in the shade, getting ready for the show.